Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're dreaming of paradise. Beaches. Think crystal clear turquoise water, soft white sand, and iconic swaying palm trees. We're heading to the Seychelles, an archipelago of islands off the coast of East Africa. Whether you're a beach bum, planning a romantic getaway, or looking for the perfect family vacation spot, Seychelles has something for everyone. Get ready for stunning visuals because I'm taking you to my top 10 favorite beaches in Seychelles. I'll share some insider tips on the best time to visit and some awesome activities you can do there. So, grab your sunscreen, put on your imaginary flip-flops, and let's dive right in. First up, we're starting with what might be the most famous beach in Seychelles, Anse Source d'Argent on La Digue. You know those incredible pictures with giant granite boulders scattered along the shore? That's Anse Source d'Argent. The water here is unbelievably clear, shades of turquoise and emerald. You can wade out for what feels like miles, and the water will still only be knee-deep. Those granite formations create secluded coves and pools perfect for cooling off. This beach can get crowded, especially during peak season, so try to go early in the morning or later in the afternoon. You won't regret it. Next, we're heading to Mahé, the largest island in Seychelles, to check out Beau Vallon. It's got that classic crescent-shaped shoreline lined with palm trees, and the water is always perfect for a swim. Beau Vallon is also a hub for water sports. Think jet skiing, windsurfing, parasailing, you name it. When the sun sets, Beau Vallon comes alive with restaurants and bars. Whether you're looking to dance the night away or enjoy a romantic dinner, Beau Vallon has something for everyone. And hey, you might even catch a traditional Seychellois dance performance on the beach. Get ready to be blown away because we're heading back to La Digue Island for Anse Source, often topping the most beautiful beaches in the world lists. The sand here is so white and fine, it feels like you're walking on powdered sugar. Anse Source is surrounded by lush green hills, adding to the paradise vibe. You can spend a whole day here, swimming, sunbathing, and soaking up the incredible views. Just a heads up, the current can be strong, so it's best to be a confident swimmer. Calling all surfers. Our next stop is Anse Source on Mahé Island. This beach is known for its big, rolling waves, especially during the southeast monsoon season. Even if you're not a surfer, it's fun to watch the pros. Anse Source is a little off the beaten path, adding to its charm. There aren't any big resorts or crowds here, just pure, unspoiled beauty. Just be careful if you decide to swim, as the waves and currents can be strong. Ready for a little luxury? Our next stop is Petite Anse on Mahé Island. This secluded gem is home to the Four Seasons Resort, so you know it's fancy. Even if you're not staying at the resort, you can still enjoy the beach. The water here is calm and perfect for swimming, and the sand is soft and powdery. If you're feeling adventurous, there's a hiking trail that leads to Anse Source, another beautiful beach on our list. Hold on to your hats, folks! Anse Georgette on Praslin Island is like the VIP section of Seychelles beaches. To get to this pristine stretch of sand, you either need to be a guest of the Constance Lemuria Resort or get permission from the resort. Anse Georgette is picture perfect, with its powder-soft sand, crystal-clear water, and lush greenery. Since access is limited, you're guaranteed a peaceful and tranquil experience. Just remember to book your visit in advance because they only allow a certain number of visitors per day. Next up, we're heading to La Digue Island to experience the untamed beauty of Grand Anse. This beach is known for its strong currents and powerful waves, making it a haven for experienced surfers. Grand Anse is a bit off the beaten path, adding to its allure. You won't find any fancy resorts or beach bars here, just pure, raw nature. It's the perfect place to escape the crowds and reconnect with the elements. Just remember to be careful if you go for a swim, and always heed the warning flags. Let's take a deep breath and soak in the tranquility of Anse Source on La Digue Island. This hidden paradise is a bit of a hike to get to, but it's worth every step. As you make your way through the lush forest, you'll be rewarded with glimpses of the turquoise water. Anse Source is known for its natural pools formed by granite boulders, perfect for swimming and snorkeling. Pack a picnic lunch and spend the day exploring, swimming, and enjoying the peace and quiet. Calling all adventurers. If you're looking for a beach off the beaten path, Anse Source on La Digue Island is calling your name. You'll need to hire a guide and be prepared for a trek through the jungle and over rocks. The journey is half the fun. Your guide will point out interesting plants and wildlife. Anse Source is a secluded cove with towering granite cliffs and incredible turquoise water. Because it's so remote, Anse Source is usually deserted, so you'll feel like you have the whole place to yourself. Just remember to pack plenty of water, snacks, and your sense of adventure. Last but not least, we're ending our journey at Anse Source on Curious Island. This beach is located on Curious Island, a protected marine park. The island is home to giant tortoises, so keep an eye out for these gentle giants. The beach itself is a long, crescent-shaped stretch of white sand with calm waters, perfect for swimming and snorkeling. There are also shady spots under the trees where you can relax and escape the midday sun. You can even camp overnight on Curious Island to truly immerse yourself in nature. Well, there you have it, folks. My top 10 favorite beaches in the Seychelles. From the iconic granite boulders of Anse Source d'Argent to the surfer's paradise of Anse Intendance, Seychelles really does have a beach for everyone. I hope this video has inspired you to add Seychelles to your travel bucket list. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming travel adventures. And while you're at it, let me know in the comments which of these incredible beaches you'd most like to visit. Until next time, keep on exploring.